Hi, I am Israr, a senior software engineer. In this course, we are going to explore the basics of programming that is required to become a successful programmer. Computer programming is like learning to speak a language that computers understand. Just as we use words to communicate with each other, we use programming language to communicate with computers and tell them what to do. When you start learning a new language, then you know that there are some grammars and rules which are associated with any language. For example, whether you are learning English or trying to learn Chinese, Japanese, French, or any language, as soon as you started learning that language, you need to follow the grammars and you need to understand the rules which are associated with that language. Similarly, when you have started learning any programming language, let's say C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, Dart, or any language, you need to understand the rules and the grammars which are associated with that particular programming language. For example, right now you can see I am on the dartpad.dev website. It is the official website of Dart language where we can practice the Dart. So now over here I am going to write a simple program by which I am giving instruction to the computer to print my name in the console, or you can say in the right hand side the computer will print my name. So I am going to write the code for that. In this particular program, you don't need to understand what is the meaning of void, what is the meaning of main, why I have used the parenthesis, why I have used the curly braces. Just focus on this particular semicolon. You can see that after writing the print statement, or you can say the print command, I have put a semicolon over here because it is the rule, or you can say it is the syntax in the Dart programming language to put a semicolon at the end of every statement. If I run this program, then computer will do whatever I had asked. I had asked it to print my name and it has printed, right? But if I don't follow the rule, for example, I remove this. So if I run, then you can see it is giving me error and it is not printing my name. Why? Because I haven't followed the rule, or you can say the syntax. So there is error in this particular program. So by now you have understood that whenever you are learning a new programming language, first you need to understand the rules or syntax which are associated with that particular programming language. So are you aiming to become a software engineer one day? Do you also want to develop a website or mobile application that people all over the world would love to use? Then you are at the right place, because through this course you will get a brief introduction to programming. So give it a try, and who knows, you might become a brilliant programmer and change the world with your creations.